Let's compare the world's most powerful car engine to the unbelievable power of a jet engine. Two machines built for different worlds. On one side, the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus, one of the most powerful cars ever made by human. It runs on a W16 quad turbo engine, producing 1,577 horsepower. Yeah, that's insane. But on the other side stands the GE90 jet engine. Power output around 400,000 horsepower. Every second, it pulls in a ton of air, burns jet fuel. So, the Bugatti may rule the roads, but the jet engine rules the skies.